Kamakura, but not the one you've seen before. There's a moment in every city that most people never stay long enough to experience. It happens between day and night, when everything slows down and the place finally reveals its true self. The light softens, the streets grow quieter, and every step starts to feel meaningful. And right now, Kamakura is entering that moment. Today, we're not just exploring it, we're walking through it, one step at a time. This is Tripinn, where we don't chase highlights, we uncover what's hiding in plain sight. Where travel isn't just about places, but about the feeling a place leaves behind. So, if you enjoyed discovering the real side of cities, make sure to subscribe to Tripinn, and let's explore together. As the sun begins to dip over Kamakura Beach, the shoreline slowly comes alive in a different way. Locals walk their dogs along the soft sand. Surfers catch their final waves of the day, and the distant outline of Mount Fuji quietly appears on the horizon. The sound of gentle waves mixes with laughter, footsteps, and the occasional breeze rolling in from the sea. It's not just about the sunset here, it's everything around it. The silhouettes of people against the glowing sky, the calm rhythm of the water, and the peaceful energy that fills the air. At Kamakura Beach, every moment feels slow, simple, and real. Like the day isn't ending, just softly fading into something beautiful. Right now, the light feels softer. The sun isn't harsh anymore. It just gently rests over the streets. Shops are still open. But there's no rush in the air. You'll notice something about Kamakura. It doesn't try to impress you loudly. It grows on you, slowly. As we walk down this street, you can hear the subtle mix of sounds. Distant chatter, footsteps, and occasionally the soft ringing of a bicycle bell. Even the air feels different here, a little calmer, a little lighter. As we continue walking, small shops line the streets on both sides. Some are selling traditional sweets, others have handmade crafts, and some just quietly sit there, waiting for curious travelers to step in. There's something special about these streets in the evening. They don't feel crowded. They feel lived in. You'll see locals casually walking back home, some stopping to grab a quick snack, others just enjoying the evening like we are. And if you slow down, really slow down, you'll start noticing the details. The warm glow coming from inside a tiny cafe, the smell of freshly grilled street food, the way lanterns begin to light up one by one. As we keep walking, there's a subtle change in the air. Can you feel it? That slight coolness, that gentle breeze. That's the ocean. Not too far now. Kamakura sits quietly along the coast, and evenings here carry that soft ocean energy. The kind that makes you pause, take a deeper breath and just exist in the moment. You don't even need to see the ocean yet. You can feel its presence. Now, look at the sky. The colors are slowly shifting, from soft blue to golden to hints of orange and pink. This is the moment when everything feels cinematic. People around you start slowing down too, almost as if everyone silently agrees that this moment deserves attention. Some stop to take pictures. Some just stand quietly. And honestly, this is one of those moments where you don't need a camera. Just being here is enough. As the sun dips lower, the streets begin to transform. The natural light fades and the artificial lights slowly take over. But unlike big cities, this isn't loud or overwhelming. It's soft, warm, inviting. Lanterns glow outside small restaurants. Shop signs light up gently, and the entire street feels like a quiet painting. Walking here now feels different from earlier. More intimate, more peaceful. You'll notice fewer people, and more silence. And somehow, that silence feels comforting, not empty. And of course, evenings in Japan always come with one thing: food. Small eateries start filling up. The sound of sizzling pans, the aroma of ramen, grilled skewers, and fresh seafood. It's impossible to ignore. Some places are tiny, just a few seats, but full of character. And that's the beauty of Kamakura. It doesn't need to be grand to be memorable. Even a simple meal here feels like an experience. That's the magic of a simple evening walk in Kamakura. No rush, no noise, just moments, quietly unfolding. If you enjoyed walking with us today, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell. And let us know in the comments, which city should we walk through next? Until then, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next journey. If you loved this walk through Kamakura, explore our complete Japan journey right here, or continue with another peaceful escape, Porto Riverside Walk.